Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. I will be in my Big Happy Planner, and it is the week of Easter, so I wanted to use some stuff that I had in my stash. These were from like the year 2000, super old, back when I first, I was in my first few years of scrapbooking. They are from My Mind's Eye, called Frame Ups, and then these are an Easter collection called Friends, Easter Friends, and just super cute little girl with her Easter basket, and then this kind of goes with it. I also had this piece of Easter paper in my stash. It's so old. And then I have a piece of yellow and white polka dot. And I have some Easter egg washi tape that I want to use. I also will be pulling from my Crate 365 paper pads here. So let's get stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright, so here's the final layout. I think it turned out super cute. I really love this Easter collection by My Mind's Eye. Super adorable, and I love the illustrations, as old as it is. I don't believe I'd be able to find this if I put a link in, but I will try and find it. So you can look down below for that. And I hope that you and your family have a wonderful Easter, happy spring, and I will see you again next time. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.